Can you pay with Apple Pay on Expedia? Today we are going to talk about if you can pay with Apple Pay on Expedia. So for that, you simply have to open up your Expedia application on your, iOS device, or you can, simply go to the Expedia.com if you're using a Mac. And there you have to select the book. So I'm just gonna do this randomly. Suppose I want to book these flights. So here I'm gonna select any of the random flight. So I can go to the checkout and show you guys. I checkout, I won't be able to see Apple Pay as an option, but in your checkout, you will be able to see Apple Pay as a payment option, or just because you are on your iOS device. So here, I'm just going to do this randomly so that we can go to the checkout. So I'm going to show you how the checkout should look. Now here I'm just going to click on this, checkout to checkout, and there you go. It will take me to, the checkout where it will want me to put, debit or credit card. But if you're an iOS user, it will also give you an option for Apple Pay right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.